Okay, here's an update, you guys. Premium 97 2001 Honda Civic SI two-door coupe. The transmission is on the ground. Here's the transmission. And there's the flywheel and the torque converter. I just managed to clean this thing up a bit. Get you some lighting. So, torque converter, you guys. And then on the background you see a whole bunch of stuff. The sub-assembly. So that round part, the torque converter, goes to that center piece there. And that was found together in one piece here. So I just slid it out of its the V notch. The notch at the top has the green marker on this. If I can show you clearly here, there's a green mark somewhere indicating top. And there it is. So right there, that's top. The green mark indicates top right there. Oh. So that slides back, that hub piece slides back into here in the transmission, or you can mount it into you can push it into there first, so it's a lot lighter. This piece alone is around 30 pounds, and this thing 120, I would guess. Together total 150 pounds. Let's look at the BMXA Honda Civic transmission. Let's have a look at this thing, shall we? I just cleaned it out a bit.